In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a TXT record in Hostinger. This is a quick tutorial that will guide you step by step through the process, ensuring you can easily follow along and complete the task in no time. Adding a TXT record is an essential task when you're setting up various services like email verification or SSL certificates. So let's dive right in. First, let's start by navigating to the Hostinger website. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to create one first. Once you're logged in, look for the section labeled Domains on the dashboard. Clicking on that will take you to a list of your domains. Here, you can manage all of the domain settings conveniently in one place. With your domains list open, identify the domain for which you want to add the TXT record. Next to this domain, you should see a Manage button. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the domain overview page where you have even more options for managing your domain. Now, on this domain management page, look for the section named DNS Name Servers. Clicking on this section allows you to access the DNS settings, which is precisely where you'll be adding your TXT record. DNS settings are crucial because they ensure your website functions correctly and help with various authentication processes. Once you're in the DNS settings, you're ready to add your new record. Look for an option to manage or add DNS records. It's usually quite visible given its importance. Now, you need to change the record type to TXT. In the drop-down menu, select TXT from the list of options. TXT records are used to hold text information for specific purposes like domain ownership verification or email configurations. After selecting TXT, you'll see fields where you need to enter the name and value for your TXT record. The name field could sometimes be left blank or have a specific subdomain if required by the service you are configuring. The value is typically provided by the service you're verifying with, so make sure you copy it accurately. Next, you'll need to set the TTL or time to live. This setting determines how long the record is cached by DNS servers, but unless instructed otherwise, the default setting often works just fine. Lastly, don't forget to click on Add Record to save everything you've just entered. This confirmation step is crucial. Otherwise, all your configurations might not be applied, and that's it. You've successfully added a TXT record to your domain in Hostinger. Remember, DNS changes can sometimes take a little while to propagate across the internet, so if your changes don't appear immediately, give it some time. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for your needs.